Hello friends and welcome to RSK-Code tutorial. I am Saurabh Srivastava, your instructor for this video. In this video, let's talk about Java 8 and its features. This video will give you short explanation about Java 8 and its feature, which can help you in interviews and also during development when you are working on any project. Let me first introduce you guys to Java programming language. You can see I have added some short notes here for you to remember. So Java is a high level object oriented programming language. It was developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle. It is known for its platform independence and versatility. Java, created by James Gosling and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems in 1991. Its first version is released in the public in 1995. It is named after the island of Java in Indonesia. Some key features of Java are: it is platform independent. You can write it once and run anywhere. So for example, I can write it on Windows operating system and I can run that code in Linux operating system. Java is a object oriented programming language. In Java, everything is an object. Java is robust and secure. It has strong memory management and built-in security. Java supports concurrent execution of program, so it consists multi-threading. It has a rich standard library. It has extensive class library for common tasks. Java's garbage collection is very famous. It has automatic memory management. If an object is not used in Java, it will get automatically deleted from the memory. Java is very high performance programming language because it has JIT compiler, that is also known as just in time compiler. Now let us see what are elements and what are components Java has. It has a JDK. JDK is known as Java Development Kit. JDK consists Java compiler and a Java runtime environment. You can run Java on many IDE tools like Eclipse, IntelliJ, and NetBeans. Java has a JVM, that is known as Java Virtual Machine. It executes Java bytecode on different platforms. So due to JVM, it consists this feature that we can write it once and run anywhere. Java has a standard library, a vast collection of pre-built classes. We have very famous frameworks in Java, that is Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and many more for building applications. Now let's see some previous versions of Java and their features. So Java 1 was introduced in 1996. It was an initial release of Java. JVM was first introduced in Java 1, and all the library and all the basic code of Java was introduced in this version. It has basic language feature, classes, objects, and inheritance. In Java 1.1, it expanded the standard library with abstract window toolkit and Java beans. Inner and nested classes was introduced in this version. Next, Java 1.2, it had some significant upgrades. Swing, GUI toolkit, collection framework, and Java naming and directory interface was introduced in this version. It also had some enhanced performance and stability. Next, Java 1.3, it had improved hotspot JVM for better performance. Java naming and directory interface enhancements was introduced in that, and Java platform debugger architecture was also introduced in that. After that, we had Java 1.4. Assertion assert keyword was introduced in that version. New package for non-blocking IO was introduced, and regular expression was introduced in that version. After that, we have Java 5 or Java 1.5 in 2004. It had introduced significant language enhancement like generic for type safety, metadata annotations, enumerations, enhancement for loop, variable length argument list. It was a major milestone in Java history. In Java 6, it had enhanced performance, stability, and security, introduced scripting support with the inclusion of the Java compiler API, and it had included improvement in the JVM and garbage collection. After that, we had Java 7, in which it had introduced diamond operator, try with resource, and improved type inference. It also had dynamic language support in Java 7. After this, we come to our main topic, that is Java 8. Java 8 was introduced in 2015. It had default and static methods in interfaces, functional interfaces, and Lambda expression, Java Stream API, for each method in iterable interfaces, collection API improvement, concurrency API improvement, IO API improvement, and Java time API. Now guys, let's discuss about these features in more detail in our next video.